Hi guys, welcome back in my channel. Today we wanna talk about Ctenanthe lubbersiana propagation. Okay, let's go. Ctenanthe lubbersiana propagation is easy and straightforward. If the plant gets overcrowded in the pot, you can prune the plant from the nodes and then use those cuttings to propagate it. Also cut down the dead or damaged leaves to use its energy for the healthy leaves. It is effortless to propagate them through cuttings. When the plant matures and grows tall, you will see a group of leaves attaching to the long stem. You have to be sure that your shears are cleaned. We cut here 2 even 3 inches and make a quick incision. Snip the tall stem and place it in water or soil. Press the plant a little bit, give it a little bit of water. You will see the roots developing from the nodes of the leaves if you are doing propagation in water. And when the roots develop bigger, place them in soil. You can also propagate Ctenanthe lubbersiana in water, but I don't suggest you because after developing roots, you have to place it in soil, then you see your plant wilt. Why it has happened? Because it comes from high humidity place to low humidity place. It is true that your plant will gradually recover, but anyway, it will be stressed. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.